Some people go, jalapenos with fried chicken? Yeah, try it. It's good. I'm Catherine Jett, first grandchild of George and Jessie Church, founders of Church's Fried Chicken. There's a story here, people. I was about 9 years old, and Granddad sold incubators, chicken incubators for Chickmaster. So he was out selling to all the ranchers and farmers and stuff for their chickens and other places, and learned what a quick turnover chickens are, and growing them and processing them and cooking them and eating them. And there were a lot of mom and pop fried chicken places around, and most restaurants had it. But Granddad wanted to do something bigger, and Uncle Bill turned it into what Granddad wanted. First store opened right on the little triangle over here. That was April 10th, 1952. It's the day before my 10th birthday. I remember it well. It was pretty neat. A lot of people. A lot of chicken going out that window, and Uncle Bobby in his all white, his white pants, his white t-shirt, his white apron, his white paper cap, said Churches on it. How can I help you? As I remember it, it was like a converted trailer, and Uncle Bobby had a bunch of windows all the way around put in, so you could see what's going on while they're prepping your chicken and cooking it up. I said, "It's to you, Granddad. It's to you. You did it. Your idea." Uncle Bill really pushed it and developed it to where it's an international business, but it was your idea. And you started it. And I'm kind of proud of that. I don't like bragging about it. That's not cool. But yeah, that was my granddaddy. He did it. But Uncle Bobby was almost always there. He's the one that developed the recipe, the chicken, and I remember him doing that over in Grandma's kitchen over on Steve's. She had her little kitchen table there, and there were 3 bowls of flour, each one seasoned differently, and then another bowl with buttermilk in it, and the chicken was soaking in the buttermilk before you put it in the different flours. There were also 3 skillets on the stove. Their seasonings wouldn't get mixed up. Well, which one was it? I don't know. Put them back. And then we'd test them. We'd eat them after they cooled down enough, and eat them and see which one we liked the best. Had the better crust, had the better flavor, juicier. And Grandma's the one that told Uncle Bobby, you brine your chicken in buttermilk. That's her main contribution. Plus being there and showing him how to cook some too, because she was a good cook. Anyway, with all the stock stuff, it opened up, I think, at $15 or $17, and within half an hour, it was up to over 30 a share. And Mother came walking out. "I'm a millionaire now." "All right, good for you, Mom, good for you. That's cool. So's the rest of the family." Anyway, the brothers and the sisters, because they all had, and Grandma was set up. That was also one of Granddaddy's dreams, take care of his family. That was pretty cool. This is Granddad right here with his older sister Mabel when he was about 2.5, 3 years old. Chunky little guy, but he was never little. He was a big man. This was Grandma Church when she was 12. She decided, I decided to pose like that. I told the photographer I wasn't just going to stand there. I'm going to pose. And she did. And that was Grandma Church. We're going to have a big to-do to celebrate church's 70 years since it first opened. And we're going to dedicate a commemorative plaque to Granddaddy and the first store. That idea, the plaque, was his.
Hi, I'm Steve Jett. I'm a grandson-in-law of the founder of Church's Fried Chicken, and there is a story here. I started thinking, how can we honor this man? How can we respect him? How can we enshrine him in San Antonio history? It's coming up, they've been doing this a long time, and it just made me think, what avenue can I find to honor this man? Who do I have to go to? And I was a steering committee without much of a steering, but we figured out the city council, and then they said, okay, well, give us the exact location.
And they just went, wow, nuts, because we're planning on having a celebration for the 70th anniversary of churches. This is perfect. It's the right timing. And the way things have been, it's just been working out and meshing really nicely. And I thank all the people that did so much work, getting this set up. I did a little bit. But they did most of it. Oh yes, and I have my medals. This is Church's Fiesta 2020. This is 2021. And this one is 2022. Church's Fried Chicken. 70 years. Yes. Good stuff. Good stuff. In fact, we just had some the other day. Gonna have some more this week. All the people that have worked for churches, all of their help, their loyalty, their staying in there, their suggestions to improve things. Dang them all. I couldn't have imagined when Granddaddy started the first one that it would end up like this.
And so glad to be part of the celebration. The 70th celebration has been so well received, and I think the crowd's gonna have some fun with this also. Puro San Antonio. Viva Church's Chicken.
Viva Church's Fried Chicken. And to you, Granddaddy, to you.